Welcome to the MicroMolar Podcast, Biotech Signals Series. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2026.
Let's get right into today's signals.
Chiesi is acquiring KalVista for $1.9 billion to gain control of a late-stage hereditary angioedema therapy. This reflects continued consolidation around de-risked rare disease assets with strong pricing power.
Teva is buying Emalex for up to $700 million to secure a near-approval Tourette syndrome drug. The deal strengthens Teva's CNS portfolio with a potentially first or best-in-class therapy.
The FDA is launching a real-time clinical trial data review program with AstraZeneca and Amgen as early participants. This initiative could significantly accelerate regulatory timelines and reshape how trials are monitored and submitted.
AstraZeneca reaffirmed confidence in reaching $80 billion in annual revenue following strong results and Phase 3 wins. Continued late-stage success is expected to drive growth through label expansions and new indications.
The FDA has raised concerns ahead of an advisory committee meeting for AstraZeneca's camizestrant and Trucop. The outcome could materially impact approval prospects and future revenue expectations.
Pfizer has delayed the patent cliff for a key cardiovascular drug, extending its market exclusivity. This provides additional revenue stability as the company approaches broader patent expirations.
Protagonist is handing full rights to rusfertide to Takeda in a $475 million deal. The structure favors upfront and milestone payments over long-term profit sharing.
AstraZeneca discontinued a FLAP inhibitor after it failed a Phase 2 asthma trial. The setback removes a novel anti-inflammatory mechanism from its pipeline.
AstraZeneca is restarting a $300 million investment in the UK after previously pausing it. The decision signals renewed confidence in the region despite ongoing industry concerns.
GSK leadership is shifting strategy toward drugs that can outperform existing blockbusters, with a focus on oncology. This marks a move away from purely first-in-class innovation toward commercially dominant therapies.
GSK has terminated a $100 million ADC deal and paused development of an mRNA bird flu vaccine. These moves suggest a tightening of R&D priorities and capital allocation.
A leading researcher left Genentech to pursue more ambitious AI-driven drug discovery efforts. The move raises questions about whether large pharma is moving aggressively enough on AI.
Biogen is seeking early-stage assets to rebuild its pipeline following recent deals. The company is aiming to strengthen long-term growth beyond its current portfolio.
Devoted Health reported declining revenue amid challenges in the Medicare Advantage market. The results reflect broader pressure on payer economics and margins.
MPM is in-licensing drugs from China as part of a cross-border development strategy. This highlights increasing global integration in biotech innovation pipelines.
Investment in UK biotech is showing early signs of recovery after a downturn. Improving funding trends may indicate returning investor confidence.
Cultrion raised $125 million to advance a new approach to SIK inhibition. The financing underscores continued investor interest in novel inflammatory disease targets.
Those are all the biotech signals for today. Thanks for tuning in to MicroMolar.
Visit micromolar.com for more information. See you next time.